Standard operating procedures in cleaning the wash basin. The following must be observed during wash basin cleaning. First, remove any articles such as hair and waste in the wash basin. Second, fill the sink with hot water. This will loosen the dirt in the basin. Third, empty the sink and apply cleaning agents. Let it stand for 5 to 10 minutes depending on the strength of the chemical. If using a cleaning solution, after doing steps 1 and 2, clean basin and surroundings with a sponge wrung in cleaning solution. Follow steps 4 and 5. Fourth, rub the whole basin including the soap well. Fifth, wipe dry.
We would like to thank Acacia Inn and Resto Bar, located at Poblacion, Kandihay, Bohol.